Welcome my good people, my name is Babushka Kenya. If you're new here guys, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. It's a good morning and we are in the village and this is called Moheto village. This is my home. And guys, today is a fine morning and I want to show you my morning routine. I told you guys I do some chores at home, but you guys don't know. So today I want to do some chores here in the village, because when I'm around I always assist here, like cleaning the compound, going to the shamba, plowing, slashing, like doing almost every chores in the village. And you guys didn't know about this, and in today's video I want to show you how I do my morning routine here in the village. Welcome and stay tuned. Watch this video till the end and consider subscribing. Welcome. Yeah, come with me guys. So today you can see here my grandmother is she's I don't know, she's flying or what she's using. Coco, we are right. Hey, can you go car? Go car. Oh. So guys, she's telling me that she's trying to make these I think these some vegetables here. These are vegetables. It's her shamba that she always plow vegetables, and when she plow vegetables, these vegetables are the one that we eat as meal or as even dinner. That's so nice. And this one is called mrenda. I don't know if you guys know mrenda, or how do you call mrenda in your local language. So let's come. My bro, they are plowing there. Let them come back. Then I'll be catching the plow, you know. Yeah, the plow. And guys, it will be so much interesting. You guys think that I can't do like some of the chores here in the village, but that's not the case. I do so much chores, and I'm okay doing them because I must assist where necessary, because God created me in a unique way and he gave me some talent. I don't know, it's not talent, but yeah, he gave me like for me to adapt in some things, you know. Like for example, when I'm here in the village, I can even clean the compound, I can slash the compound, I can even go to and harvest some maize or even corns. You can see there's some maize, they are planted there, some maize. Yeah, and that's so nice. So guys, yeah, come with me. This is our shamba. This is our shamba here, and it comes from this place to the other place down there. It's almost 1 acre. It's almost 1 acre. Not even almost, like 2 acres. 2 acres, if I'm not wrong. I guess they're 2 acres. So when they are here, I'll now come and pick the plow, and I'll show you guys how I do plowing, and it's so simple. Yeah, come with me and let's see. Don't worry guys about my knees, about like I'm struggling. No, I'm not struggling at all. I'm just okay and I'm comfortable. Yeah, so come with me and let's see how it goes. Moita, tarata mengote. Ratanga tirangari. Eh. Wote chikuhire hebo no. Murate ano ngote tirangara. Ukori video ndemono aringe. Murati ngombe ngoti kyami tirangara arigo. So guys, come and let's see how it goes. Yeah. So guys, you know, this time is time that we want to plant some maize, because in our culture we always plow during the planting season, and we always harvest during the harvesting season. So right now we already harvested from this shamba, and today we want to plow again so that we can make it easy for us to plant some maize. And I always plant even some maize. So you guys don't know about this, but it's going to be a nice video because you guys have been asking me to upload some good content for you guys. So let's plow now this shamba here. Tiga puri muranku yari. Lakini So guys, here we are with my brother here. Let them say hi.
Bro.
Hi.
Yeah, Sere is saying hi. And this one is called Brian. This is my elder brother here. He's called Muite. Let him introduce yourself. Bro, introduce yourself to my people. So this guy, I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know if he's tired or what. But he's saying that he's working, so you don't want to greet people. Greet people, bro. Guys, look at how he's reacting. So guys, hi, let's go.
Piga hapo Brian. Tirata sere. Bro, hai, ora gote kweri bro, kweri. No gumiri kweri wakina koko. Temo kire mura. Oh.
Toka Brian, toka, seri.
Karata mura, tagona koro kanyu. Utakenya hire ke gari murisia.
Gari record mrai video.
Takenya hire ke gari kio, takenya. Hai, baf.
It's not easy, but we're gonna try regardless.
Rudi nyuma Brian, rudi nyuma tuone kana tu yeye ndo anarimo. Hai. Kinabaka kiva hilo bro. Rudi nyuma.
Gamba nyuma hii video.
Yeah. Tukirei. Yeah, bro.
Wow, so guys, this is how we plow. Camera. So guys, this is how we plow, and we want to make a corner here, then we go back. Yeah. So watch this video till the end, and now you'll feel motivated and inspired as well.
Toka Brian, toka. Acha tutembee sehemu yote, tunamrekodi. Acha tuzirime hata mbaya. Akambera ambekeni.
Wow!
Rudi nyuma Murisha. Akambera tu imura numa na utoleme. Toka hapo Murisha, ni hivi alime mwenyewe. Ai tu ba. Mata sera ko akuni niora kaambia. Sera kuja.
Sera ndio record hapo.
Kimbi record hata kwanza ziende pole pole. Brian rudi nyuma, toka hapo Brian. Ambia sera kuja.
Shikilia hapa hivi.
Haya Brian, rudi uko kwa sera.
Nafu tufuate, record vizuri hivyo. Yote tuonekane wote straight.
Chukua na hiyo fimu basi.
Alright, emiri simu ikamurika. Hey. Orang yang dalam boras. What? What?
Terus.
Kamu. Kamu ini kayaknya. Berapa tofu? Toka mrisho. Endo go pasere mrisho. Toka. Akanduru mwenu mwenu kutoka ndo. Allah. Ya maashi ni samara. Jamara ba tumbafu waja koya. Bafu. Brava tu tumbafu. Hai, japo ndani tumbafu. Ustaz mrisho ni bwana hana kutoka kanda bwana mrisho. Weh! Ini kari-kari gitu di komentar apa? Sampai! Tolong. Kucamen. Ada hon. Go. Go.
You can see the entire.
Ustaznya di mana nyamara? Banda. Wah.
Ada kondisi.
Wah, murah. Wah, tiga ngombe bisu atau jingo. Jangan boleh, ya.
Sen.
Jangan boleh.
Wah. Sen. Wah, tengok bu.
Nah, iya, bro, iya. Ini masuk ke toko di TikTok kalau gitu kan. Mungkin mau ada lagi.
Wah.
Kau nak cuma itu ambil atau kau lagi ni cukup buku. Iya. Ini mau aja. TikTok yang gua di sana. Mungkin dia kau berbana.
Wah. Allah. So guys, this is how guys these are the aftermath after flying. Look at how we have sweated. Like my bro is here, yet he never introduced himself to you guys. Let him introduce. Yeah, but he don't want to be seen online. I don't know what's wrong with him. This is Brian here. Brian, what's your name? Brian Chacha. Wow. So guys, this is the shamba that we are plowing over here, and we are done plowing. The cows are over there, you can see. And guys, I appreciate you for watching this video till the end. May God bless you so much as you support me, Babushka Kenya. And if you're new here guys, consider subscribing, share, like that button, and also remember to comment. Thank you so much for supporting us every day.
Yeah,
we
guys.
appreciate you, and we are so humbled guys. See you on the next video.
Yeah, guys, I am Jamrock 254. So, like, you know, Babushka is my bro, and
Yeah.
then I support to her, you know.
Yeah, he
Like,
supports me flying here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like you
and-
see here, bro. Like you see, then here you dig.
Yeah, I was. He said that we were applying all of these shamba. As you can see, guys, look at how we've done this shamba this side. So guys, thank you so much. See you on to the next video, and may God bless you so much. I'm so much humble and grateful. Bye. See you on the next video.
Right.
All right.
Thanks.